Welcome to the Bigger Brains course, Mastering Word 365 Expert. My name is Christina Tankersley, and I'm a technical trainer and have been teaching and consulting with Microsoft products for over 25 years. Microsoft Word is a powerful tool for creating and modifying documents, and I'm excited to teach you how to use its features. This course is intended for advanced users of Word 365 who want to go deeper with many of its features. We'll start by customizing the Quick Access toolbar and the ribbon. We'll also manage document templates. Then we'll customize a table of contents, master font options, and create and manage styles. Next, we'll use advanced find techniques, add and customize watermarks, and add cover pages. We'll also create auto text and manage quick parts. Then we'll work with custom and exclude dictionaries and use the features built into AutoMath and auto format. We'll also customize footnotes, headers, footers, and columns. Then we'll add and link text boxes and insert and manage fields. We'll look at protecting documents and adding signatures. Then we'll merge and compare documents and compare versions of a document. In the next section, we'll apply graphic tools and drawing options. We'll also create and use forms. Lastly, we'll set up, customize, and perform a mail merge. By the end of this course, my hope is that you will have a deeper understanding of all of the features and capabilities available in Word 365 and be able to use all of its expert features. As you go through this course, I recommend that you stop the video periodically and practice what I'm showing you. The files I'm using in the course are available to download if your platform supports them, so you can do the same activities right along with us.